Why does a perfect fifth sound so perfect? Is it magic? No, it's algebra. Behind every beautiful chord lies a simple frequency ratio. Today, we bridge the gap between abstract wave equations and exam-style problem solving, step by step, ratio by ratio. Sound is a wave. Its pitch is determined by frequency. How many cycles hit your ear per second? When two notes sound together, their frequency ratio determines the interval. An octave is 2-1, a perfect fifth is 3-2, and a major third is 5-4. These aren't just musical terms, they are algebraic relationships that physics exams love to test. Here's the exam-ready method. Step 1. Write the harmonic interval as a simplified fraction. Step 2. Set up the proportion, F1, F2 equals ratio. Step 3. Cross-multiply and solve. For example, if a perfect fifth above 260 Hz is required, then F2 at 260 equals 3-2. Solving gives F2 equals 390 Hz. That's it. No magic, just algebra. But exams don't stop at single notes. They also ask about interference. What happens when two sound waves meet? Constructive interference gives louder sound. Destructive gives silence. When frequencies are close, you hear beats. The beat frequency equals the absolute difference of the two frequencies. For instance, if a 256 Hz and a 260 Hz tone play together, the beat frequency is 4 Hz. Deriving this earns you marks. This isn't abstract. Physics exams from IGCSE to A-level to AP consistently ask you to calculate unknown frequencies from harmonic ratios, beat frequencies, or even the length of vibrating strings, where F is proportional to 1 LTA. Mastering these algebraic steps transforms wave physics into a repeatable problem-solving toolkit. Why does this method work for exam success? Because your brain craves patterns. When you link ratios to equations to graphical waveforms, you build a mental framework. You stop memorizing and start deriving. That's the difference between a C and an A. Ready to ace your physics exam? Start with this. Take a perfect fourth, 4-3. If the lower note is 330 Hz, find the higher. Answer in the comments. Then download our free worksheet, link below, with 10 step-by-step wave algebra problems. Subscribe for more cross-disciplinary deep dives from music, math to mechanics. Because sound waves aren't just heard, they're calculated. Keep solving, keep hearing the math.